Design allows me to forge deeper connections with the space, allowing it to align more closely with my desires. Recently, I stumbled upon a product that perfectly encapsulates my guidelines for design: the VOX range of soffit ceiling panels. Ceilings, often underestimated, play a vital role in pulling a space together and providing that perfect finish touch. VOX captivates for its diverse styles and how it seamlessly blends with any design's essence, adapting to complement the chosen ambience of a house. But here's the kicker: these panels aren't just about appearances. Beyond making your space more appealing, they demand no maintenance, enduring various weather conditions while boasting water, termite, and fire resistance. Furthermore, VOX soffit ceilings offer a sustainable, longer-lasting alternative when compared to conventional materials like wood or gypsum. The speed and simplicity of installing these panels is quite impressive and elevates the sense of pride and completeness within a space. I am excited to incorporate these features into more designs and exhibit their adaptability. You too can exclusively source these VOX interiors and experience firsthand their transformative impact.